how you can blur any part of your video, any portion of your video in a DaVinci Resolve. So let's jump right into this video. So what you have to do to blur stuff, you can go to the color page, and here is first we have to decide what we want to blur. Let's say I want to blur this ball. I can simply mask this blur, and then I can click on tracking, and I can track this blur, and that portion will get blurred. And if I now go to effects, and here I grab the mosaic blur, now we have blur there. Or if we have directional blur, now we have blur exactly for that direction. You can play with settings here. See here. Now we have blur. Now we can click here, here on mask, and click on curve, so we can add another curve. And here, let's say maybe we want this portion. And now we have blur again, or this one again. Click on this curve again. We have another blur. Now if you click on Alt plus S, you create another mask, another copy of your, or another node. Now we can add here another mask. And here we can add a different blur for this node. Right? And as you can see, this is a different blur compared with this one. This is different. And obviously, if you want, you can also go to tracking and track this blur if you want. You can track it if you want. And yeah, that's pretty much what you have to do. Just make sure you play with nodes, with tracking, with masks or windows. And yeah, I really hope, guys, you found this short tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.